Hey guys, today we are going to talk about something that has made filmmaking easy. Our world is taking big steps towards filmmaking and videography and photography. Now we don't need to have those big cameras to make good quality videos. We have our cell phones or our smartphones. And one thing that you absolutely need if you want to be a good videographer, to make good videos, you need this thing. So, and what is it? Let's open up and let's look what's inside and how it can help you to bring your movie making to the next level. We see the gimbal, and it's the mobile gimbal. It's from Zhiyun or the Zhiyun company. It's a mobile gimbal. Let's look inside and see what do we have here. How much does it cost? Is it worth to buy? So yeah, let's open up. When we open the box, we see three things. First of all, we see this tripod. Then we have the cable to charge our gimbal. And we have our gimbal. So it's really secure. It's not so easy to get it out. So here we charge our gimbal. Here we have the screw for our tripod. Here it's for the smartphone. So it's just a actually really great gimbal to use. It's not one of the lightest gimbals you'll ever handle, but it's really good. It has many options here on the screen, so it's a pretty decent, and you feel that you have something in your hand. We just saw what's inside the box. Is it worth to buy? I think yes, especially when you want to take your video making skills a little bit higher. The world gives you everything that you want to make your videography skills even better than you have. So if you want to be a bit better or a notch better than others, it doesn't matter what you want to film. Is it a music video? Maybe it's a movie, or it is just a smooth video for fun. If you want to look better, then you have to have some stabilizer. And I think this stabilizer is a good deal. It's about 100 euros or 110, 120 dollars. So it's not the world. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you what is the difference between iPhone 11 inbuilt stabilizer and iPhone 11 inbuilt stabilizer with the gimbal. So we'll try to make some smooth, good-looking videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment. It will mean very much to me. So, bye.